Welcome to Sheltering a Swami. I'm Swami Chaitanya.
I'm Nikki Lastreto, and it's springtime here at the ranch.
Well, it's green and everything's bursting forth, but things happen a little later up here than they do down in the city and various other places. So the oak trees are just starting to come out. But the biggest thing, of course, is we sprouted our little seeds, right? And we sprout them in front of the goddess of cannabis, Ganja Ma, and we always put a little drop of Ganges water in the sprouting water. And then, depending on the moon phase, when it's a fertile moon before the full moon, we then put the seeds into the pots with soil. So they're now out in the garden underneath these long tunnels that are kind of like cold frames. Mm-hmm. And first of all, the little round leaves come out.
Let's explain what those tunnels are. The tunnels are there to be able to keep them warm at night.
Yeah.
Because it's still quite cold up here. We're at 2,600 feet altitude, and it's still, last night was about 40 degrees.
Yeah, it's been down to 38 some of the nights, so that just keeps them warm. And then in the daytime, in the morning, around 9 o'clock or so, I go out and I pull off the plastic things, and they're just little hoops of PVC, white PVC, but they're about 3.5, 4 feet high. So they're long tunnels. You can't really walk in them, but it really is a nice little protection for the plants. And so then now the first thing that comes out of the stem is that little round leaf, and I always forget the name of the two round leaves come, and then 90 degrees from that, two pointed leaves come out, single leaves come out, and then okay, things are starting and they're sprouting up. And we've been having pretty good. We got about a 90-95% sprout rate. Only a few of every one didn't come up. Mm-hmm. So now it's all starting to grow, and we're watering them, and
it's beautiful. It's so exciting. We're also going to be starting some fruits and some flowers and vegetables starting this week when the moon goes into Taurus. Right. On Thursday. Yeah. And at that point, and then what happens with those is they get planted around the base of the plants, the cannabis plants, and some of them, for example, might attract spider mites, for example. And that means that those little spider mites are going to go to those.
No, don't even say that.
No?
Don't even say that.
Why?
There's no spider mites. No.
We don't even have spider mites. Okay.
But see, the thing is, because cannabis has now been declared an essential business, that things are kind of pretty much normal up here for most everybody. You go into planning, you need to go to the nursery and get various things and supplies and so on. So everybody's quite busy up here. The only thing that's not happened is people aren't going out and hanging out and so on. And a lot of meetings, of course, have been canceled. But as you all know, probably you've been having Zoom meetings all over. We've been having meetings too, and actually we've been talking to people all over the world on these various either FaceTime or these sort of YouTubes and so on. So it hasn't stopped, and everybody's kind of talking about cannabis right now, and it's the thing. Of course, the irony is that 4 years ago we were still outlaws and illegal, and now we're
the other irony is that the other essential businesses include things like guns and alcohol.
Right. So we
somehow
don't need to get on our high horse.
I don't know how.
We'll take it because it's still a step up, and I think now we need to just talk to various other, the cities and towns and counties of California that are still prohibiting it, and try and convince them that it's actually to the benefit of everybody in the county to have cannabis accessible, and so that everybody should legalize it, and then they can actually have protect the citizens and allow everybody to get the medicine they need. So.
Anyway, we're enjoying a gorgeous spring up here, and the big meadow looks like a golf course at this time of year. And last night there was the most amazing experience. It was about midnight when I was going to bed, and I stepped outside, and there was this smell, this terpene, really, this amazing, strong, floral kind of terpene. And all we can figure is that it was the pollen, because there's lots and lots of pollen falling off of everything right now. And there was this mist in the air, this fog. And so we figured there must have been some inversion thing from the fog that kept the smell really concentrated. And it was just divine.
It was the aromatic ambrosia of just pure
divine.
nature, right? Because you probably all noticed in various other places that the air is cleaner. So clean air smells better, and that's what we were smelling.
So
just
happy
the pure,
spring to all of you.
Unadulterated nature. And blessings to you, and enjoy your cannabis.
Happy spring.